Good afternoon, morning. No, it's morning. I don't think. Yeah, we did have lunch. It is. I guess it is afternoon. This is Gary from our Paradise Farm, Bratt, Florida. I'm at our other house. I've been at it quite a bit. That's why I haven't been able to do any videos. I'm going to start doing more short videos, I think, just so people can see that I'm actually doing something, and I'll work on my long videos and edit them and get them posted. And what would that be? That would be the cementing of the half the dome barn I got in the back. I've also done a rebuild on my John Deere mower, which I'm still having issues with and trouble with and troubleshooting, and I probably should be following along with that some more, so you guys can actually know what's going on. I will get that up to date. And so what am I doing here in other property? Well, I do have a part-time job at a college that I can do chaperone work. In other words, they have contractors come in, and it requires a staff member to be with the contractor, so they're not fraternizing with the students. It's a private college. So that's what that is. And what am I doing here? Well, you see that happened. There is no fence. There is no fence all the way around, and the poles have been removed down to that tree stump. Yes, that is a tree stump. That's what's left of a very large tree that fell over. Earlier this year in Pensacola, we had a level 1 tornado come through. It just so happens it came through our backyard. And this is what our backyard's left with looking like. We had no trees. Neighbors had all the trees, but we got the damage because their trees fell over on the fence. This tree, I had a tree here and a tree there. Both those fell over, and that's what those two stumps are. They were pulled out by our friend David Barnhart yesterday. He took out my poles that were in the ground, and we have that to take care of. I still got to pull down the back cyclone fence, and David ground down a dead tree stump. He thinks it's since it's such hard, it's hard wood too. It is hard. It's dense. He called it cherry. He thinks it's cherry wood. We wouldn't know because the thing wasn't growing. It was dead. So I cut it down, and then I cut this one down, which was starts with the M, metal blank. Anyways, it had flowered and stuff, made a mess. So a neighbor approved to cut it down, took it out. He ground that down, and he ground down that other one. There's those two. Then there's over here down by the water spigot thing. There we had two oleanders. We took them out also. This is a new fence. You see this stack of stuff right there? That was a 6x8 shed. The tornado picked up the 6x8 shed and put it through the neighbor's fence on the left side there. Then it took it and moved it through the neighbor's fence to the back, which is our two-story neighbor, and laid the shed on its back. Did not break a window, did not break the door. We were able to dismantle it, and that's how it sits now. I got to get it out of here. So this is where we're at. This is what I'm doing. I hope to do a little more posting, whether I'm at this house or another house or at the farm, just so I'm doing something more consistently. This is some more of the that bright red wood. I guess it's cherry, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to find out, take it to somebody. Anyways, thought I'd give it a shout out and say hello to y'all. And if you like what we put out, hit the bell for your notification. Hit the subscribe to follow along. Appreciate your watching out what we do. Talk to you later.